Conseil d'État. Here you can see La Comédie Française, Hotel de Louvre, and of course the Louvre itself. As I said in my previous video on a bike, it's enormous. All of this down there, or here, is just one part. There's 4 levels of the museum, and you can spend 10 to 12 hours just walking. Just walking in the museum, not stopping by any painting, just slowly walking and watching the paintings. Easily 10 to 12 hours, maybe more. Inside. This is an entrance. I imagine there will be no queues to enter. Normally you have to wait hours and hours to buy the tickets and enter the museum, but not in the COVID-19 times. Oh my goodness. This is empty. Empty. I knew there won't be crowds, but I didn't imagine it would be this empty. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. You see the building behind, and then this building, and all of this, all of this. All of this that you can see is the Louvre Museum. So as I said, there's 5 levels, 1 underground and 4 overground. From all this you can see you can walk and walk and walk and walk. This of course is the main entrance that you'll see on the photos of your friends who visited Paris. It's empty. Look at all of this. All of this is packed with people normally. There's queues going on the roads there normally. This is the time to visit Paris. If you really want to see Paris, this is the time. If you can, I don't know your country, if it's on the red list or not, but if it's not, come to Paris now. The weather is still beautiful and there are no queues anywhere. So one last look at the Louvre, and you're going in the Jardin de Tulliers. They wasn't going to let me come with a bike, so I'm going to do it by foot. Non, merci, bon courage. Now in front of us, I don't know if you can see, is the Concord place, and then the Champs-Élysées and Arc de Triomphe. And on the left, the Tour Eiffel. But for now, just admire this park. Jardin de Tulliers. That I passed by my bike, and the Jardin de Tulliers. The mask everywhere. If I wasn't making videos today, I would come here with a coffee and a book and just enjoy the sun and the sound of the water in this magical place. Try it for a second. Oh, this is the life. Muy bien. Muy bien. Now time to relax. Let's go out to the park and to the Tour Eiffel. If you don't like the sun, you can put your chair here, or there's a cafe and the restaurant. Well, it's not a gourmet cuisine, we don't even have a kitchen, so just snacks and drinks and coffee. I hope you can. The menu. And a duck pond. This is a good place to end this Louvre and Jardin de Tulliers video. The chestnuts falling. yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and I'm gonna see you at the Tour Eiffel. Bye guys.